Iris only, Iris.
¿Cuánto?
Iris only.
¿Vas a gastar?
I try.
Hindi, sige, sige.
I try.
Okay lang, sir.
I try. I try.
Nothing trying. I tried to ignore the pain. I tried to ignore the sting in my eyes. Because I know the strong will never cries. I began to run. But I am followed by my ever-present tears. I want to leave all these sacred places, leave behind all these familiar places. But where will I go? What will I do? I know I get too far away from you. Shut up! But something is lying with us still.
Okay na. Woo!